I am at my cousin's house. Mmm. Ooh, nice.
So my cause, my cleats is an opportunity to
Clay
suffer
Matthews.
from muscular dystrophy and cure Duchenne.
What I like about Clay Matthews is he supports Duchenne.
Meeting these kids was
Ooh.
it's incredible what we've been able to do. And we still have a long way to go.
Clay, I just want to say thank you very much for doing this, and I hope you keep going.
You are one of the special singers, not only in this competition, but
What a beautiful shot. Aerial coverage being brought to you by Geico.